was just impossible. She was more than beautiful, closer to ethereal, with a kind of down-to-earth flavor. Close my eyes, it's 3 in the afternoon. Then I realize that she's really gone for good. Anybody say can't find. She has gotten lost in the crowd. I was flipping magazines in that place on Mercer Street when I thought I spotted her. Getting on a motorbike, looking really ladylike. Didn't she just give me a wave? Salty tears. It's 3 in the afternoon. How she disappeared? Has she really gone for good? Anybody say, ain't nobody say my baby. Anybody say, ain't nobody say my ride. If I just close my eyes, I reach out and touch the prize. Anybody say, the same. I'm around. Oh yeah, that's a little stuff.
You can't get rock from Brooklyn and Queens and Manhattan and the Bronx and Staten Island. I can't forget New Jersey and Long Island and all over the world. We came to rock for everybody. All like this.
Anybody say, anybody say my baby. Has anybody seen her? Anybody seen her around? If I could just close my eyes, I'm gonna reach out and touch the prize. Anybody say, anybody say
It's a kind of magic. It's a kind of magic. A kind of magic. One dream, one soul, one prize, one goal, one golden glance of what should be. It's a kind of magic. One shaft of light that shows the way. No mortal man can win this day. It's a kind of magic. magic, magic, magic.